black hinges. They're matte black. They came in an 18 pack and they're really nice, easy, very loose so that the door swings very freely. And these are nice strong hinges. They're going to fit directly in your already encased hinges that you have. And it has a removable pin as well. So you just pop the screwdriver in here or your pin in there and it just pops out the top. And so it's a very nice way to get your doors new hinges, making them look just that much better. So really nice hinges here. The matte black is durable and scratch resistant. And then it comes with all the hardware you need. It has a pack of short screws for every single hinge, but then it also comes with some long screws, and this is nice if you're replacing existing hardware because that existing hardware sometimes has wiggled free, and so those longer screws are going to go in a little bit deeper, digging into some new wood and allowing the door to be a little bit stronger. So really nice hinge. We're going to go ahead and get these installed and show you just how easy it is. It's just as simple as removing the old hinge and putting this up there using existing hardware. Otherwise, it's just screwing in the new holes by pre-drilling and then screwing in the screws that are provided with you. So a really nice product. So if you're looking for some new hinges to make your doors look that much better, I definitely check these out. They work out great. They add that nice finishing touch. So thanks for watching my video. Definitely check out these hinges.